Welcome. So today you guys are going to be doing a mini lab in class while I'm gone with the sub. We are going to write this into our lab notebook. The first thing that we need to do is put this lab mineral identification group 1 into our table of contents. So please take out your lab notebook and turn to the table of contents. You're going to put the title of the lab, which will be mineral identification group 1, into your table of contents. When you finish that, you're going to turn to your next open page and title your page Mineral Identification Group 1. This is going to be a super short lab write-up today. After our title, we are going to put a problem, all caps, underlined. The problem or question we are going to answer today is to identify minerals based on their physical properties. So in our last video lecture in class, or your last homework video lecture, you guys learned about physical properties of minerals, from color to hardness to luster, cleavage, and fracture. There is a little review video today for us to practice those skills together before you begin. After your problem, we don't need a procedure. We're going to go straight to our data since it is a baby lab. So we've got underline all capital data. We need a title for our data table. Let's call this mineral data for samples 1 through 10. And then you guys are going to copy this data table into your lab notebook. Sorry about that. Please have the sub pause the video if you need more time. After you have this data table copied in your lab notebook, before we watch the video of how to find these things, color, streak, hardness, luster, cleavage or fracture, and other we're actually going to do in class on next time I see you together. This is going to be the acid tests that we talked about with the hydrochloric acid plus some magnetism things. After you have that, the only other part of this lab that you're going to need is an analysis. So you're going to all caps, underline, analysis. You're going to copy down these several questions, and then you can write the answers without complete sentences. So again, after analysis, you copy down these several questions, and then you can write the answers in incomplete sentences. On these ones that are talking about which mineral has one plate of cleavage and which mineral has a greasy texture, you can just write the numbers down on these. So the ones you'll be able to answer today are 1 through 4. Please have the sub pause this so that you can finish copying it down. After you copied these all down and have watched the next video, you guys are going to go start in your lab. The sub should switch to Mineral Identification Lab 1 Instructions video now.